Hey everyone, welcome back to Inner Wellness TV, the channel where we dive deep into topics that enrich your relationships, enhance your lifestyle, and add a little spark to your intimate life. Today we're talking about something special, 8 best sex positions for older women that can drive her wild. Let's be real, getting older doesn't mean passion fades. In fact, intimacy can become even more meaningful and exciting as you gain confidence and emotional depth. But as our bodies evolve, comfort and connection become essential for keeping things spicy in the bedroom. So today, I'll share 8 incredible positions designed to prioritize pleasure while ensuring comfort. Let's jump right in. Section 1. Why it matters to tailor positions for older women. Before we dive into the positions, let's take a moment to talk about why this topic is so important. As we age, our bodies experience changes. Maybe it's less flexibility, joint stiffness, or a need for slower, more deliberate movement. But here's the beauty. These changes don't reduce passion. They actually open doors to explore new ways of connecting physically and emotionally. The positions we'll discuss today are tailored to minimize strain and maximize pleasure. They also promote intimacy and trust between you and your partner. So, whether you're looking to reignite that flame or just keep things exciting, these tips are for you. Section 2. The 8 best sex positions. Now, let's get to the fun part. Here are 8 amazing sex positions that are perfect for older women. These positions balance excitement, comfort, and intimacy, making them a win-win for both partners. 1. The spooning position. Description. In this position, both partners lie on their sides, with the woman's back pressed against her partner's front. It's a relaxed position that allows for close body contact and gentle movements. Perfect for slow, sensual intimacy without putting pressure on the joints. Why it works? It's comfortable for women with back or knee issues and allows for whispered sweet nothings and emotional connection. 2. The seated lotus. Description. Your partner sits cross-legged while you sit on their lap, facing them. This position encourages deep connection through eye contact and touch. It's ideal for couples who want to slow things down and focus on each other's energy. Why it works? The close proximity creates a deeper bond, and it's less physically demanding than some other positions. 3. The reclined missionary. Description. Think of the classic missionary position, but with a twist. Place a pillow under her hips to elevate her pelvis slightly. This adjustment takes the strain off the lower back and aligns the bodies perfectly for deeper connection. Why it works? The added comfort of the pillow makes this timeless position more accessible and enjoyable for older women. 4. The modified cowgirl. Description. In this position, the woman takes control by sitting on top of her partner. For added comfort, she can lean forward slightly and support herself on her hands or the headboard. Why it works? This allows her to control the pace and intensity, making it easier to adjust to her comfort level while still being incredibly stimulating. 5. The side-lying scissors. Description. In this position, both partners lie on their sides, forming a scissor-like shape. One leg is draped over the partner's hip for easy access. It's a position that feels intimate and doesn't require much physical effort. Why it works? It's great for women who want a slow, sensual experience without putting too much strain on their bodies. 6. The couch embrace. Description: use your couch to your advantage. The woman reclines against the armrest while her partner kneels or stands beside the couch. This allows for a range of movements while keeping things relaxed. Why it works? The support from the couch helps reduce physical strain, and the unique angle adds excitement. 7. The reverse spoon. Description: similar to spooning, but the roles are reversed. The woman lies on her side, facing away from her partner, while he lies behind her, allowing for a slow and sensual rhythm. Why it works? It's a relaxed position that fosters physical closeness without being too demanding. 8. Standing support. This position involves standing with the woman leaning against a sturdy surface, such as a wall or table, while her partner approaches from behind. It's perfect for those looking for something spontaneous and adventurous. Why it works? It's invigorating and keeps things exciting while still being manageable for older couples. Section 3. Tips for making these positions even better. Now that you have these amazing positions in your arsenal, let's talk about how to make them even more enjoyable. 1. Prioritize communication. Talk to your partner about what feels good and what doesn't. Being open and honest creates a safe space to explore. 2. Use props. Don't underestimate the power of pillows, cushions, or even a yoga bolster to make positions more comfortable. 3. Experiment with pace. Take your time to explore each position. Sometimes slower movements can heighten the intensity and connection. 4. Create the right atmosphere. Dim the lights, play some soft music, and set the mood for an intimate evening. 5. Focus on foreplay. Older women often appreciate the build-up just as much as the main event. Take the time to explore her desires and preferences. Section 4. Why these positions work for older women. These positions aren't just about physical pleasure. They're about emotional connection, mutual trust, and creating a space where both partners feel valued. Older women bring wisdom, confidence, and a deeper understanding of their bodies to the table, making intimacy an even richer experience. By tailoring positions to suit your needs, you can ensure that every moment spent together is as comfortable as it is electrifying. Age is just a number when it comes to intimacy. These 8 positions prove that passion and pleasure can thrive at any stage of life. The key is to prioritize comfort, communication, and connection. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe to Inner Wellness Us for more inspiring and empowering content. Until next time, take care, stay connected, and remember, intimacy is all about celebrating each other.